What's up everybody, this is me Adria Pushpangadan and you're watching The Crazy Mess. So recently I have uploaded a story in Instagram asking you guys whether you guys want skincare and hair care videos specifically on Wednesday, and you guys said yes. So I am going to make few videos related to skincare and hair care and I'll post it on Wednesdays. So if you like the series, do let me know so that I can come up with contents like this. Okay, so let's begin. So today I am going to tell you guys about 5 steps to take care of your sensitive skin. So the first tip is to do patch tests whenever you try something new. So there are like a lot of people who buys and use different products just because that product says that it's for sensitive skin or normal skin or whatever. Whenever you do that, please make sure to do a patch test. Like take patch test either on your hands or the neck part so that you can understand how the product is and if it causes any irritation to your skin. So please do not forget to do a patch test. The second tip that I usually say to people who have sensitive skin is to try a product which has good ingredients that suits your skin type. So in order to find that ingredients that suits your skin, you have to try a few products which has different kinds of ingredients so that you can understand which all suits you and which doesn't. For some people, coffee and curd face mask causes irritation because the curd may add different to your skin tone, and some people find it very good. Like me, I always find that face mask very useful, but some people doesn't. Like Haida doesn't like that coffee curd because the curd doesn't do any good to her skin, like it causes pimples and all. So just don't do it. Okay, so understand the ingredients first which suits your skin type and try to stick on to that. And when you use these products, try to be regular, like start a morning skincare routine and a night skincare routine so that your skin gets prepped all the time and it feels nourished and plump. Before 1 year, my skin was not at its best because I didn't use many serums or many products that I use now. So having a skincare routine is something that will change your skin entirely. So I already mentioned, like, some people really likes to try new stuff, but when you try new things, sometimes it causes like minor changes in your skin, like it may cause breakouts or like itchiness or something like that. So if you feel anything like that, just stop using it. Even if the product cost a lot, don't use it. Sometimes I also feel like I have spent this much of money for this product and you just can't get rid of it, so you just feel like, okay, I'll try it, maybe it doesn't cause anything, or it's just my thought that it's not gonna do anything bad to my skin because it's like people are using it and it causes good for others, and you feel like, no, it's just, something. Don't do that. Change the product right there, right now. Please don't use it because maybe it might cause many more skin problems. And the fifth thing that I would suggest everyone to do who has these very like pigmentation, crucial acne problems, please try to consult a dermatologist, because the skin tips that everyone gives out, like including me, works for me. It can't be the same with you. So when you do something and you doesn't find the result, you may like blame the YouTuber or Google or wherever you found the source of that thing you've been doing. The tips and tricks that the people in internet tell you sometimes doesn't work and it just backlashes on you. So you just blame the other person and you're like, it doesn't work for me and all that stuff, and you will just go hate comment on the people. But the thing is, it's not like that. Like, even I have felt the same. Like, I used to do a lot of experiments with the face mask and all these things, and I always check YouTube for the source and I end up trying new things with many weird stuff I have tried. Like, I have put Vaseline on my hair and it has a good kind of a result, so I have uploaded that video in YouTube, so if you want you can check it out. I have done things like that. So do consult a dermatologist when your skin feels bad. or like you feel like no, my skin is not doing great, go consult a dermatologist, because the knowledge you get from outside can't be 100% true to you. That's the only thing. I've been repeating all this stuff a lot, I don't know why. Yeah, so these are the 5 things that you should do to keep your sensitive skin really, you know, careful not to destroy it. Like, that's the tip to not cause any trouble to it. So if you want, you can also try this moisturizer, which is from Cetaphil. This is not a sponsored video by Cetaphil, of course, but I recently tried it and it's really good. It's good for my normal combination skin. It also good for, I think, most of every skin type. Cetaphil has different categories, I think, like for sensitive and dry skin, so you can try it. And I also started to do moisturization twice. Like, I used to do it, but sometimes I'm just like, okay, I don't want to. Then I realized it's not good for me, so I started to put toner, sunscreen and moisturizer every morning when I wake up, and before going to sleep I also used toner. Then I used the Color Bar serum, which is absolutely good. Like, I really liked it. It's the best thing. I'll show you guys this serum, Hydra White Intense Whitening Hydrating Anti-Spot Serum from Color Bar. This is a really good serum, guys. Like, I think I spent nearly 600 to 800 to this small bottle, but I had a pimple mark here. It was very big. It's very irritating because I used to have this mark whenever I apply anything and I used to hate it. Then, savior. Ta-da, ta-da. So yeah, I started using this and that pimple mark just vanished. I was like, okay. So this is my first bottle, but it's nearly going to end soon, so I have to order it. But I have to do it. Then I use the Cetaphil moisturizer, and that's my skincare routine right now. I try to put a sheet mask on my face once in a week, and mostly I always put curd or coffee mask or something like that on my face, like alternative days or something. So that's the skincare routine, guys. So yeah, that's it. We come to an end of this video, and I totally love makeup. I don't know. And sorry, I am at Bangalore and the background is this, like craziness. Say hi. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I come up with videos every Wednesdays and Sundays, so subscribe right now if you guys are not subscribing, please. And I love you guys. Bye.